Hello students and welcome back to our PacMan video series. Before I start creating the ghost in this video, I just forgot one small step in the splash screen. So first of all, our splash screen should look like this. And where it says Sprite 1 or Sprite 3 or whatever, let's just call it splash screen. You can also call it startup screen, just so long as you know what it is. And the very first thing that we should be doing when the green flag is clicked is we want it to go to the top layer. So if you go down here in the purple looks area, there's one called go to front layer, and we just need that up right there. Okay, so there. Now I fixed that. Now I feel better. And then we can just kind of hide this. So I can just click on this to hide. There we go. So there's a little hide button, just so you know. And so for the rest of this video, we're going to start talking about the ghost and how the ghost moves around. So in this starter video for the ghost, let's go ahead and find a ghost. So I'm just going to click on here. It's going to take me here, and I'm going to type in GHOST. So there's a ghost that I can start with. That's pretty cool. This ghost is very large. So I'm just going to size him down to, I'm just going to guess 26. Sure, that's fine. And I like starting him somewhere around here. You can also change the ghost's costume. So for instance, if I use the black arrow tool, I can highlight the ghost and I can make him a little bit wider. And you can kind of see as you adjust it here, it sort of adjusts it there. His eyeballs are also really small. So I'm going to come over here, click the circle, choose black, and I'm going to give him some nice big eyeballs. And actually I will choose the black arrow tool, eyeballs already selected, copy, paste. Now he's got two perfectly the same eyeballs. There we go. So if you look over here, you can kind of see what he's going to look like. That looks good enough for me for now. So I'm going to go back to the code area. And so when we start another level, that's when the ghost should appear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the yellow events tab. And I'm going to say when I start the next level, there we go. When I start the next level, then I'm going to, that size is going to make a difference. So let's set the size. So this is in the purple looks area. Let's set the size instead of 100%. Let's set it to 20. Mine is going to be 26. You can adjust yours however you want. And we want it to show. So let's go back down and grab a show. So it's going to show up. There we go. And we're going to set the speed. So we need a variable called ghost speed. And so I'm going to make a variable. And actually, I'm going to make this variable called all ghosts speed because I want all the ghosts to have the same speed. And that way I can just kind of keep track of it really easily. And then I'm going to set all ghost speed to, I'm going to make the game super easy at the beginning. So I'm going to set it to speed level of 1. So it's going to go really slow. Okay. So there's our ghost, and then we'll need a forever. So let's go ahead and grab a forever. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make the ghost kind of like wiggle. I don't know if there's a better term for that. But the ghost just kind of wiggles, has a little bit of movement. And in order to do that, I go back to the purple looks area. And just above the set size, there's one called change size by 10. So I'm going to get 2 of those. I'll just keep them separated for right now. And instead of 10, I'm just going to choose 1. It's just going to be a tiny little wiggle. And then if we go to the control area, I can grab this wait 1 second. And I'm actually going to set that to be 0.2, just so it's really fast. 0.2. And then I'm going to put this all together. So I'm going to change the size by 1, wait that, change the size by, -1, -1. So it just is kind of a little bit bigger and then a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to put that back together, and I'm going to put that all in the forever. So in order to test this, you don't have to click the green flag. What you can do is you can just click on it, and you can see that my ghost is now doing a little bit of a wiggle. Okay, so that's kind of step 1 for right now, and then I'm going to show you the next parts in the next video. Okay, so now we have a ghost. The ghost wiggles. We'll get some movement in the next videos.